Welcome back to Ciufo's Garage. We're going to do a little bit of wiring. I don't know how much I'm going to record and show. Figure I'm not going to show a lot of this. I'm doing some more wiring. I'm running my check engine light wires. I'm going to run it right to it's going to be this little red one right here. Basically what I did, I got a 194 socket. I trimmed the ears off. And it pushes right in the back of the instrument cluster. Brown wire I'm going to send to the ECM. This wire here I'll have the fuse 12 volt switched. I have a check engine light that works. Turn it on, light comes on. Start it up, goes out. This is the brake light switch number I used. Basically one wire comes from the computer in, the other wire goes out to 12 volt switched, fused. Torque converter lockup switch is all wired up. I'll neaten all these wires up and I'll be back with you. All the wiring's cleaned up, relays are put in a new fuse panel. My fan bypass switch is right here. Just pull it on. Next fan on. And then it shuts it off. Blinkers work. Left side blinker, right rear blinker, they all work. Brake lights work. Parking lights and running lights. I did get the exhaust done. The exhaust is just 2.5 inch. Like I said, sorry for the short video this week. I did quite a bit of wiring inside the cab and neatening it all up. I figured I'd get something out there instead of just going without a video this week. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the short video this week. I did quite a bit of wiring in the cab, neatening it up. Got the fan and fuel pump relay in. Bypass switch for the fan. Torque converter lockup switch is in. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell.